Hey friends, it's me here teaching you another way by which you can earn money online. Okay, so watch this video to the end so that you will understand the tactics I use to earn money from each of my friends' purchase. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so the next time we are dropping a video you will get notified. So let's get into the video. So have you ever wondered how you can get paid from your friend's purchase? Yeah, Jumia Cool or cool.jumia.com has made that possible. What you just have to do is just to type in on your Chrome browser kol.jumia.com and then it's gonna bring you up to this interface just like this. And how are you gonna be earning your money online? Okay, so let me just show you. You're gonna get registered, you're gonna advertise, and then you're gonna earn cool money. As simple as that. And that's what I've been doing to earn some cool money. So I'm gonna be creating a new account. So if you're creating a new account, you're gonna click on the top bar where it says register. If you're creating a new account, so what you just have to do is to fill in your first name, your email, and fill in all of this. Click on the agree button, sign up with the captcha, and then get registered. So after you're registered, they're gonna send you an email to so in this other part where they told you to fix in your email, you're gonna put in your email, and then they're gonna be sending you a link down to your email just like that. Okay, so this is the link that Jumia sent for me. As you can see, it's gonna be sending you a link to verify your email. So what I just have to do is to click on this part where it says verify your email. So once I click on it, it's gonna bring me down to Chrome, and it's automatically gonna sign me in. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this part where it says sign in. I've already registered, and this is a new account that I'm using as preference in this video. Okay, please subscribe, give this video a like button. If you have any question, leave it down there in the comment section. So as you can see right here, this is the amount I've earned, or this is the commission I have. €0 and everywhere, because this is a new account. And now friend, do you know one of the trick I want you to use? We are entering December period and most of your friends will love to purchase something. So why not tell them to come and purchase what they want to purchase on Jumia? And then once they use your link to purchase such product on Jumia, you get paid a 50 or a percent commission, and then you can withdraw it down to your local bank account. So once you click on this three icon right there, it's gonna bring us to this tab. You're going to click on advertising. Now to get your link, you're going to click on this part where it says custom links. Now once you click on that part where it says custom link, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere like this. Then you have to click on this place where it says Jumia e-commerce. So once you click on Jumia e-commerce, it's gonna bring up to somewhere like this. If you're my fan and you're watching from Kenya, click on Kenya. If you're my fan watching from Egypt, click on Egypt, Morocco, Ghana, Tunisia, Ivory Coast, and all the rest of that. But since I'm in Nigeria, I'm gonna be clicking on Nigeria. So once I click on Nigeria, it's going to bring me up to an interface which should be loading in no time. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so it's gonna bring me up to somewhere like this. Now you're about getting your link right now. So what you just have to do is in this part where it says web page URL, I don't want to bore you guys with so much of this video, but in my next video I'm going to be filling this form. I'm going to be teaching you how to fill this form, generate your link, and start promoting your link in order to get paid. But for today, I'm going to be stopping in this part because I don't want to bore you guys with lots of things. I hope this video was helpful. Turn on the notification bell so that next time I'm going to be dropping a new video tomorrow about how to fill this form, you will get notified. Stay safe and I'll catch you up next time.